Welcome! In front of me I have Xlyne Siona XW Fit watch, and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this device. To turn off this watch, press the side button to wake up the screen on it, then press it repeatedly to scroll through the menu, and scroll through the menu until you find the power off option. The icon looks like this. Once you select this option, press and hold the side button to confirm. So select the power off option and press and hold the side button to confirm, and turn off the watch. And after a second or two, the watch should turn off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.